Trying to see if something's sticking between this corner over here. All right, fellas, ladies and gents, this has been one of the best days I had fishing in a while. I'm trying to see if some fish set back up on this top spot over here. Ah, we got that on camera. We had a hawk fly out. Dude, it just was a hawk literally fly out he flew out of a tree to come get the spook. Here he come, here he come, here he come. He coming again. Ah, that is so freaking cool. Uh-oh, he's circling, he's circling. He is watching this, boy. He wants it so bad. That's crazy. I have a freaking hawk going after my spook. He's coming back. He's coming back. He's circling in. Dude, he is flying across the water for that thing, for this thing. Gotta watch for him. I don't want to catch him. Definitely don't want that. That's a first. Never had I've had turtles go for my lures. Never had a hawk. Up. Yep, time to go. Yeah, trying to make sure he don't swoop down and get it while I'm trying to get this bird's nest out, which I don't think I'm gonna be able to get out. There we go, I got it. All right, let's get that back in. Then we're gonna get on the road because it is 10 o'clock. Thought I had a fish behind me for a second. I think it was just my shadow. Thought I had a fish a few minutes ago. I think he was just running from the hawk. Alright, let's roll. Good day, good day. Yeah, I don't think I'm catching anything else. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make a pitch. Put this wacky rig where I want to. Yeah. Yeah, I want to hit that cubby hole over there, but I can't. Not from here. But the fishing gods have blessed us with an early. That's why I gotta get out mornings now. These mornings be so nice and cool that fish don't have no choice but to be like, I gotta eat now. Cause the midday is still kind of shaky. But all in all, thanks for watching. I hope y'all like this mashup that I'm gonna make, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.